How to sell multiple items on eBay. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for eBay sell page and tap on the very first link. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the listings option from the top toolbar and then tap on the create listing option. Now, go ahead and enter the product that you are listing. If you are selling various items, you need to create separate listing for each or use eBay's multi-variation listing feature. There are two types. First, the separate listing. Repeat the listing process. Each time, item will need its own listing with specific description, photos and prices. Next, multi-variation listing, if applicable. It is ideal for products that come in different versions, example, t-shirts in different sizes or colors. So, choose a product category, select the category that allows multi-variation listings. Now, add variations. When creating the listing, tap on Add Variations and specify the types. Finally, set inventory, enter the quantity available for each variation. Now, list the item. Make sure to include high-quality photos, detailed descriptions, competitive pricing, shipping discounts, and promote your listing. By optimizing your listings and using right tools, you can sell more than one item on eBay effectively. So, this is how you can sell multiple items on eBay. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.